Hi, I'm Suzie.
And I'm Jen, and we're the designers behind Foxy Originals.
A lot of you have been asking us about what goes on behind the scenes of Foxy Originals in terms of how and where the jewelry is made.
So we thought we'd put together a short video to tell you a little bit more about what's involved in the production process.
All Foxy pieces are made in our production studio in Toronto. By making Foxy locally, we're able to carefully manage our production process to ensure that we deliver the highest quality product.
And we can also guarantee that our products are made in a responsible and ethical manner. And by keeping production close to home, we can reduce our environmental impact. To understand how a piece is created, we thought we would take you through the steps involved in the creation of an individual piece. Before we design a piece of jewelry, we generate ideas on an inspiration board, and we narrow down our ideas and decide on particular design concepts. Then we sketch out our ideas on paper. Once we have decided on a design, we create an initial prototype out of pewter. Once we have the desired model, it is set on a rubber mold and vulcanized through extreme heat, which makes an impression of the model into the rubber mold. The jewelry is produced through a method called casting. Once we have an impression in the mold, we can cast multiple versions of the piece. Molten pewter is then poured into the mold, which spins multiple times. Through strong forces, liquid metal enters the jewelry cavities, which holds the impressions of the jewelry. After a short while, the metal solidifies. From there, we can break off the individual pieces, which are now in fact raw pieces of jewelry. They're then grinded to eliminate the roughness that occurs from casting. The jewelry pieces are now prepared for plating. In order to be dipped into the plating baths, the pieces need to be attached by copper wire onto special plating racks. Once the pieces are on the racks, they are dipped into baths depending on the desired finish. Next is the stage where the pieces come to life with color. We determine the colors for the line based on color trends and mix pigment with resin to get our desired shades. Next, we carefully apply the color fill to the pieces through a small vial. Once the color has dried, we apply the color to the opposite side to create a reversible necklace, which gives you two different style options. By this stage, the piece just requires the finishing touches. The pendant is threaded onto a chain. We authenticate each piece of jewelry with a Foxy tag. A final quality assurance test is then conducted on each piece. The final products are then shipped and sold in boutiques and gift shops across North America. Through a multi-step process, what began as just a spark of inspiration develops into a beautiful finished product. We hope that gave you a better understanding about how our jewelry is made. We're really proud to make pieces that our customers can feel totally great about buying.
Not just because of their design aesthetic, but because of the care and quality that goes into how they are made.
To learn more about the products we make, visit foxyoriginals.com.